what you can do, the sequence 1 2 1 2 sequence is there. Okay, so uh, in your question this sequence is given, that is the x of n is equals to, obviously you need to draw the butterfly diagram for this also. Okay, so 1 2 1 2 like this. So this is a sequence. Okay, so you need to use DIF FFT algorithm. So it is starting from here, so this is a x of 0. Okay, so this is what, this is your x of 0. Okay, now for 4-point DFT, uh, what you need to do is that for the butterfly diagram, you can mark these values, this input sequence as it is, that is x of 0, x of 0. You can write these values over here, then x of 1 as it is sequence you can mark, then x of 2, no even odd is required over here, x of 2, then x of 3, like this. Okay, so all the values you can mark over this. Okay, then you need to extend this. Okay, as I told you this is a 4-point DFT, so how many stages will be there? Only two stages will be there for the FFT. Okay, only two stages will be there. Okay, after extending this, here you can mark write values also. Okay, along with this x of 0 you can write the values also. So value will be 1 2 1 2 like this. This is a 2, this is a again 1 2 1 2, like these values you can mark over here. Okay, then after that what you can do, you can write adder in this, like this. Okay, so here you can write adder. Okay, so adders you can add, and then all the adders we need to add over here, like this. So you have to remember basically final stage of 4-point DFT. Okay, so final stage means second stage will be the first one over here. Okay, जो second stage में करते थे यहाँ पे first stage में आपको करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this will be something like this. So from here you need to go upward like this. Okay, and from here to this one, this stage. Okay, and this two also you need to join like this. Okay, so this one. Okay, so here after this, here you can take Twiddle factor. Okay, for this. Okay, and that Twiddle factor will be w suffix 4 raised to power 0 and raised to power 1. Two Twiddle factor we will use over here, w suffix 4 raised to power 1. Okay, and here you can apply the multiplier, negative multiplier. जिस लाइन पे ये है Twiddle factor भी है, on the same line you need to apply the -1 multiplier. Okay, so this will give you your stage 1 output. Okay, so here somewhere you can mark your stage 1 output. So by dotted line you can show it. Okay, so this will be your stage 1 output. Okay, so here you can mark this as a stage 1 0 like this. Okay, this will be stage 1 1, stage 1 2. Okay, stage 1 2, and then stage 1 3, stage 1 3 like this. Okay, then after this, so what you can do, again same thing, you can extend it like this, and you can add adder in this. Okay, so this will be same like your first stage of the decimation in time. Whatever you got in decimation in time, so that will be the same with the stage 1. Means what happening here in decimation in frequency, so whatever you done in a decimation in time, so that will be the reverse. Okay, that means stage 1 will be the stage 2 and stage 2 will be the stage 1, like this. Okay, so stage 1 में क्या किया था, one you need to skip, and then you need to write the twiddle factor. Okay, so we will join this like this. Okay, so here first one you need to skip, and here you need to write the minus 1, that multiplying factor, and here you can extend it, and here you can write the twiddle factor. Zero, only one twiddle factor will be there over here, w suffix 4 raised to power 0. So this you need to skip, and over here you need to write the minus 1. You can extend this one. Okay, so what you have done in first step, you need to do it in a second stage. So here same twiddle factor will be there, w raised to power 0. Okay, so it is, this was the stage 2 for the decimation in time, but decimation in frequency, this will be the stage 1. Okay, and here after this you will get the output. Okay, so here you can take this as an output. Okay, so here output will be see, total 4 sequences is there. So the first one, this will be the even samples, that is x of 0. This will be the output of x of 0, and this will be the output of x of 2 even samples. Okay, and then third will give you the output of x of 1, that is a odd sample, and then x of 3. So like this you will get the output over here. Okay, so now you can do the calculation, this calculation part. Okay, so while calculating this s1 of 0. Okay, so two adders are there over here, or two inputs are there. So x of 0 plus x of 2. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 1, so this will be 2 simply. Okay, so this value will be 2. Okay, then for this one, so here this is a 2, then plus 1, so this will be 3. Okay, so like this you can do the calculation. So x1 2, so this one, so here two adders are there, this one and this input. Okay, so this will be 1 uh, 1 minus 1. Okay, so and this is a 1. Okay, w raised to power 0, that anything raised to power 0, this means, that means it will be 1. Okay, so this will be 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 1. So this or that answer will be multiplied by 1. So this will be 1 into minus 1, so this is also 1, so this will be 0. 0 into 1, so this will be 0. Okay, so then the next one here, so value of this will be, this is a w raised to power 1. Okay, so this will be it is a 4-point DFT, so you can calculate that w raised to power 1 means what, a raised to power minus j 2 pi divided by capital N. Capital N is over here, it is a 4. Okay, so this will be 1 by 2 simply into 1, so that will be pi by 2. So this is a cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Okay, so this will be simply minus j. Okay, so minus j here. Okay, so this will be 1 into 1, so this will be minus 1 into minus j, means whatever answer you are getting, that you can multiply with the minus j. Okay, so this will be minus 1 and this is a 2, so answer will be 1 multiplied by minus j. Okay, so here you will get the answer of this is simply 1 into minus j, so that means it will be minus j. Okay, see here, this will be 2, this will be 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 into minus 1, so this will be minus 1, 2 minus 1, so that will be 1, and 1 will be multiplied by this twiddle factor, that will give you the minus j. Okay, so now for the next you can do this calculation also. Okay, so here two adders are there, same thing, so this will be 2 plus 3, so this will be 5. Okay, 2 plus 3, so this will be 5. Then for this one, it will be multiplied by 1. So this will be 2 minus 3.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, can you repeat for S11? Actually, I'm
S11.
getting different answer.
Yeah, S11. Okay, so this one 2 and then plus 1 3. This
So
is 1, na?
actually, sir, that's two.
It is 1 2 1 2, na? So sorry, this is a 2. So okay, so 1 2 1 2, that means it is a 2. Okay, है ना? ये यही करेक्शन है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is a 2 plus 2, so this will be 4, correct right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this will be 4. This will be 4. Okay, so और भी changes होंगे, just hold on. ओके, सो ये यस वन वन हो गया, ये यस वन टू हो गया, सो ये सेम रहेगा, इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं, इसमें ही चेंजेस होगा. 2 minus 2, so this will be 0, and this multiply by j, so this will be 0, correct है ये?
Yes, sir.
2 minus, हाँ, yeah, so this will be 0. Okay, so this will be 0. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे 4 आएगा, and this is a correct ना, this is correct ना, 1 minus 1. Okay, so this will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, लास्ट भी 0 हो गया ना आपका. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so the first value is 5. It is correct. 4 plus 2. So this will be 6, not 5. It will be 6. Okay, so this is the 6. Correct, Drumil? 4 plus
Yes, sir. Correct.
2, 6. Okay. So then for next value, x2. So here this will be 2 minus 4. Okay, and multiply by 1. So minus 4 means this will be minus 2. Okay, multiply by 1 means same, minus 2. Okay, then to join this stage like this, and this to this. Okay, so for this one, so this is 0, this is 0, so this will be 0, correct, eh? Then here also, for this also, it is 0, and I multiply 0 0, so this will be also 0. 6 minus 2, something like this answer you will get. Okay, so this is your 4-point DFT question. Now we will go for the 8-point sequence. Okay, so for 8-point, see here, I write down one question. Given x of n is equals to, given x of n is equals to, given x of n is equals to small n plus 1, small n plus 1, and capital N is equals to 8. Given x of n is equals to small n plus 1 and capital N is equals to 8, find DFT x of k, find DFT x of k using DIF FFT algorithm, means decimation in time fast Fourier transform. Okay, algorithm, decimation in time fast Fourier transform algorithm. Okay, now it is see here one small trick is there. Okay, so this is here x of n is given. Okay, that is a small n plus 1. Okay, and your capital N is given, that is a n point, 8-point DFT. Capital N is what? It is a 8-point DFT. Okay, so generally question आपको 8-point DFT का ही मिलेगा. Okay, so 8-point DFT and small x of n is given something like this. X of n is equals to, x of n is equals to something that is n plus 1. Okay, so here that small n is 0 to 7. Okay, what will be the value of this small n? It will be 0 to capital N minus 1, that means 7. Okay, so this will be 0 to 7. Okay, like this. Okay, so from this you can write that is a your x of 0 will be n plus 1, that means it will be 1, because n is 0 for the first value. Okay, so if you are writing this sequence, if you are writing this sequence, so your sequence will be like this. Okay, decimation in frequency FFT algorithm, so you can mark here that values. Okay, in a sequence you need to mark, so that is x of 0. So okay, so in a sequence you need to mark that values, so x of 0, so your x of 0 will be, x of 0 will be here, need not to check, change the sequence. Okay, so x of n will be as it is, but at the output you will get the change sequence, because the decimation in time में क्या करते थे आप इवन सीक्वेंसेस पहले लिखते थे, और इवन सीक्वेंसेस में भी आपको x ऑफ 2 लिख रहे हो तो x ऑफ 2 आपको x ऑफ 4 के बाद में लिखना है, x ऑफ 4 को पहले लिखना है। वैसे भी ऑड सीक्वेंस में भी x ऑफ 3 को आपको पहले लिखना है, सॉरी बाद में लिखना है, x ऑफ 5 पहले लिखना है। ओके, so same in decimation in frequency, whatever output you will get, that must be in this sequence. ओके, आउटपुट में जो मिलेगा आपको उसका सीक्वेंस क्या रहेगा, इवन एंड ऑड, एंड इवन में भी पहला वैल्यू x ऑफ 0, देन x ऑफ 4, okay, then x of 2, and then x of 6, like this. Okay, and for odd values, x of 1, x of 5, then x of 3 and x of 7, like this values you will get। जो डेसिमेशन इन टाइम में किया था उसके यहाँ पे रिवर्स मिलेगा, तो x of 0 is 1। ओके, देन x of 1, सो यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस नहीं चेंज करना है आपको। ओके, सो हियर दिस विल बी x of 1 will be 2। okay, then x of 2 will be 3। is there any doubt in this? जैसे पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होगा आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा क्या क्या चेंजेस हुआ है। ओके, जस्ट डेसिमेशन इन टाइम में जो था उसके आपको रिवर्स करना है इधर। ओके, सो स्टेजेस सेम रहेंगे, स्टेजेस सेम रहेंगे, 8 पॉइंट डीएफटी है तो 3 स्टेजेस विल बी देयर। ओके, सो एक्स ऑफ 1 2 3, देन एक्स ऑफ 4, यहाँ पे एज इट इज सीक्वेंस लिखना है आपको, कोई चेंजेस नहीं करना है इसमें, सॉरी। सो दिस इज एक्स ऑफ 4, इसका वैल्यू रहेगा 5, देन एक्स ऑफ 6, सॉरी 5, इसका वैल्यू रहेगा 6। ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट विथ मी। 6, then x of 6, so value will be 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। Okay, then x of 7, last element, so x of 7, so here value will be 8। Okay, so this is the value for the sequence। Okay, now what you need to do, extend the lines like this। like this. So this is the same like decimation in time थर्ड स्टेज. ओके, सो थर्ड स्टेज में हमने क्या किया है ये आपको याद रखना है. थर्ड स्टेज में हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट 4 लाइन्स अपन ने स्किप किए थे, उसके बाद ट्विडल फैक्टर लिखे थे, जहाँ ट्विडल फैक्टर लिखे हैं वहाँ निगेटिव लिखा है आपने. ओके, सो लास्ट 4 जो हैं, लास्ट 4 जो लाइन्स हैं इसमें आपको निगेटिव आने वाला है लाइक दिस -1 -1. और ट्विडल फैक्टर लिखते वक्त एक चीज़ याद रखना, ट्विडल फैक्टर आपको प्लस के बाद लिखना है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो -1. So like this, this will be also -1. So last four line, and here, so this is a third stage. Third stage में चारों ट्विडल फैक्टर यूज हुए थे. Okay, so here you need to write the ट्विडल factor, and after that you will get the output. Okay, so this is a w suffix 8 raised to power 0. Okay, then 1, w suffix 8 raised to power 1, then w suffix 8 raised to power 2. You need to find out these values. Okay, this value is already known to you. Okay, these values will be same, w suffix 8 raised to power 3. Okay, इसका कोई calculation में changes नहीं होने वाला. Okay, now what you need to do, so these 4 lines you need to add over here like this to the first one. इसे ये connect करना है, then second one to this. Okay, then third one to this third line. Okay, and then this fourth one to the last line like this. Okay, and here also first one to this one. Okay, then the second one to this one. Okay, then third one to this one. Okay, and fourth one is to this one like this. Okay, so this will give you the stage 1 output. Okay, this will be your stage 1. You can mark one dotted line and you can calculate the output over there. Okay, so I will take like this one dotted line over here. Okay, straight line you need to mark. Okay, so this will give you the stage 1. You can use a different notation also. कहीं h यूज किया जाता है, कहीं g यूज किया जाता है, anything you can use. Okay, so S10, then S11, this will give you second, then S12 stage 1 2 element, then S13. Okay, then S14 4, then S15, then S16, then S17. Okay, so here you can connect the adders. Okay, now see stage 2 you have to remember from the decimation in time. Okay, so in that what we were doing, 2 lines skip करते थे, correct? What we used to do, 2 lines we were skip. Okay, so see here, and then you need to add minus sign. So first 2 lines you can skip. Here you can write -1 -1 like this. Okay, here you can add adder. Here also you can add adder. Okay, so like this you can add adders. Okay, so 2 line you need to skip and then -1, and जहाँ पे भी -1 है there you need to write the twiddle factor. Okay, so here 2 twiddle factors will be there. कौन से रहेंगे, anyone? फिर twiddle factor क्या आएंगे अभी?
0 2.
Yeah, 0 and 2, same thing is there, 0 and 2. डेसिमेशन इन टाइम में जो किया है जस्ट उसी का को रिवर्स करना है, 0 एंड 2। ओके, इसे स्किप करेंगे, यहाँ पे डेसिमेशन आएगा, दैट इज अ w सफिक्स 8 raised to power 0 and raised to power 2, like this. Okay, so उसके बाद आपको again one dotted line you need to draw, and there you can take the output of this second stage. Okay, okay, so here you can draw one dotted line, so like this. And then you can mark this as a stage 2 0 2 1, stage 2 2, so on up to this will give you the stage 2 7, like this. Okay, now in last step what you need to do, in a last step one line you need to skip, you need to mark arrow on the another. Okay, जो स्टेज 1 था डेसिमेशन इन टाइम का, ओके वो लास्ट स्टेज हो जाएगा डेसिमेशन इन फ्रीक्वेंसी। सो एक आपको स्किप करना है, एक लाइन स्किप करना है, देन मार्क -1 मल्टीप्लाई। ओके, सो वन लाइन यू नीड टू स्किप एंड देन यू नीड टू मार्क -1। ओके, अभी जिस लाइन पे -1 है वहाँ पे आपको ट्विडल फैक्टर लिखना है, एंड हियर ट्विडल फैक्टर विल बी, सो सब इसमें प्लस एडर साइन ऐड कर लो। ओके, लाइक दिस। लाइक दिस। ओके, एडर साइन ऐड कर लिया, जहाँ पे निगेटिव है वहाँ पे टोटल फैक्टर रहेगा, और टोटल फैक्टर एक ही रहेगा यहाँ पे, कौन सा रहेगा वो, w सफिक्स 8 रेज टू पावर
0.
0 या स्टेज 1 आपको याद रखना है, स्टेज 1 डेसिमेशन इन टाइम का, वो यहाँ पे लास्ट स्टेज हो जाएगा, w सफिक्स 8 रेज टू पावर 0, ये एक ही टोटल फैक्टर रहेगा पूरे इसमें। ओके, सो हियर that total factor w suffix 8 raised to power 0। okay, as it is। okay, so इसे भी as it is लिखना है। okay, so ये w suffix 8 raised to power 0। okay, अभी मैंने ये ज्वाइन नहीं किया है एक्चुअली, सो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, दिस टू लाइन्स विल अप लाइक दिस, ये स्टेज 2 है जो आपने स्टेज 2 डेसिमेशन इन टाइम में किया है, सेम थिंग। okay, so this is there, then this one, so this one, इसे ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा। okay, like this you need to join, and then here for this you need to join like this। okay, so for this also डेसिमेशन इन टाइम में जो आपका स्टेज 1 था वो यहाँ पे स्टेज फाइनल स्टेज हो जाएगा, थर्ड स्टेज हो जाएगा। ओके, लाइक दिस। okay, now whatever output you will get, that output you need to write in this sequence, that is x of 0 means even sequence you will get the first, that is x of 0, जो पहला आंसर मिलेगा that will be your x of 0, then x of before 2 you need to write x of 4, so like this you need to write here x of 4, then x of 2, and then x of 6, like this sequence you need to write। so this will be x of 2, then x of 4, and finally you need to write x of 6, this one। same for the odd sequence also, this is for the even, and then for the odd sequence also, for odd sequence, so this will be x of 1, it will give you the output of x of 1, then x of 5, instead of 3 you need to write x of 5 before। Okay, so then x of 3 and lastly x of 7 you will get. Okay, so is there any doubt in this diagram?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay,
No, sir.
same thing is there, same thing is there, just minor changes are there. You doubt it? If you have a doubt you can ask me. Okay. Okay, so we will take one. So if you want, you can do the calculation of this. Okay, so calculation again it will be same. Okay, otherwise it will take time. So we take in next lecture. Is there any doubt? Any doubt from your end? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So calculation again it will be same like first of all suppose if you are calculating this S10, so this will be these two inputs you need to take x of 0, x of कौन सा है यहाँ पे x of 4, x of 0 and x of 4, these two you need to add, so that will be 1 plus 5 means 6, so here this will be 6. Okay, just remember that when you are calculating this one S14, this one, so at that time what you need to do, x of 0, okay, then x of 5 multiplied by minus 1, so this will be 1 minus 5. Okay, and whatever result you will get, that will be multiplied by this total factor, that is 1. Okay, so like that you need to do all this total factor values also you need to calculate. This will be 1, this will be something 0.707, that value, and this w raised to power 2, this will be minus j, and w raised to power 3 again it will be minus 0.7 minus j something, that 0.707. Okay, that value. Okay, so this total factor also you need to calculate, and you know like that you can do the calculation. Is there any doubt in calculation part? Can you do it? Otherwise we will take one another numerical in next lecture, in that also I will try to show. Okay, otherwise you can do this calculation part. Okay, and we can take another part in next lecture. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So thank you all of you. I'm going to end the session. Thank you.